Hey guys, I'm so pumped to share something Chef Roxie taught me in class. How to price your signature product like a pro. Whether you've already nailed your go-to treat or you're still experimenting, you've probably asked yourself, how much should I charge for this? Well, today I'm breaking it down for you just like Chef Roxie showed me, plus a little real talk from when I first started my own home bakery. It's not just about making money. It shows people how much you believe in your product. Price too low, and folks think it's cheap. Price too high without a story or extra value, and they'll bail. Chef Roxy helped me find that sweet spot, and she'll help you too. Here's the simple formula Chef Roxy gave us. Add up your cost per batch, total ingredients, packaging per unit. Labels or any marketing materials like extras, ribbons, toppers, etc. divide by the number of items. For example, it costs $4 to make 12 cookies. That equals about 33 cents per cookie. Factor in your time. If it takes you 2 hours to bake that batch, give yourself a fair rate. Start with something like $10 an hour. Add a profit margin starter formula. Cost per item plus your hourly rate times 2 equals the retail price. So that cookie might end up around $1.50 to $2. Common mistakes Chef Roxy warned us about. Undercharging because you feel weird asking for money. Guessing your price without actually doing the math. Never raising your price as you get better. Trust me, I made all 3 of these mistakes. When I first sold my cupcakes, I basically gave them away. I spent hours baking and barely made anything. But once I raised my price and shared my story, people still bought them. Want to charge more? Level up your packaging. Tell a fun or inspiring story about your treat. Offer something unique. Maybe a special flavor twist or a cute topper. This week's challenge, write down the cost of all your ingredients and supplies. Figure out how long each batch takes you. Use Chef Roxy's formula to pick a fair price. Ask at least 2 friends or family members if they'd pay that amount. Ready to go next level? Create a mini menu of 2 to 3 items with prices and short descriptions. Still stuck on pricing? Don't stress. Join Chef Roxy's live community chat on Fridays. We'll crunch numbers together, talk through your product ideas, and you'll gain serious confidence as a young entrepreneur. Check out the calendar in our community, link below for dates and times. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who dreams of running their own food biz. Pricing might seem scary, but you've totally got this. You deserve to get paid for your creativity and hard work. Can't wait to see you on Friday.